Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to make homemade rosemary and raw honey hair conditioner. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to make homemade rosemary and raw honey hair conditioner is www.mommypotamus.com. See the page titled How to Make Homemade Lotion with 3 Simple Ingredients. This is the link. You can also try asanomagarden.wordpress.com, especially the page How to Make Homemade Deodorant. I love it. A Sonoma. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.longlocks.com. The web page DIY hair care recipes, how to make homemade natural and. This is the link.